mention na 2026 na po. So sa panahon ngayon, hindi na sapat na sabihin lang natin na pantay-pantay ang lahat. Kailangan nating siguraduhin na mas may malinaw tayong polisiya and mechanisms that will protect every Dagupenyo laban sa anumang uri ng diskriminasyon. So this proposed ordinance that institutionalizes our commitment to equality, accessibility, safe spaces, and peaceful coexistence. So layunin po nito na tiyakin na anuman ang edad, kasarian, kapansanan, relihiyon, pinagmulan o anumang personal na katangian ng isang tao, siya ay mabibigyan ng pantay na pagtrato at pagkakataon. So bilang isang lungsod na patuloy na umuunlad, responsibility natin ang lahat na lumikha ng isang komunidad na inclusive, compassionate at may respeto sa karapatan at dignidad ng bawat isa. So with this measure, we are not only addressing discrimination, we are sending a clear message that Dagupan is a city where everyone belongs, everyone is respected, and everyone is protected. With this, I move to adopt draft ordinance number 0-047-2026 entitled An Ordinance Strengthening the Dagupan City Policy on Human Dignity, Equal Opportunity, Safe Spaces, and Non-Discrimination, institutionalizing a comprehensive framework for the proportion of equality, respect, accessibility, peaceful coexistence, and the protection of persons from unlawful discrimination, creating, implementing mechanisms, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes.